Hey guys, welcome back, and we're back playing more Wolf Among Us Part 2. I'm guessing this is Part 2. What happened?
What happened? A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, Curly. Knock it off!
Knock it off.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
You need to leave.
I can't go until this deadbeat issues.
Oh, what?
I let you slap me around for a while. You're lucky I'm not charging extra.
Oh lord. I'm guessing she was a prostitute? What's your name?
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Oh, come on, don't be the reach around here. I don't like this.
Wouldn't want to add any difficulties to that.
Why was he hitting you?
Yeah, why was he hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him. I said I did. He started beating. Then you showed up and started beating on him. Got about covered, huh?
I'm the woodsman. Oh, faithful little Red Riding Hood.
Oh yeah!
I cut this fucker open.
This guy is full of stones. Throw him in the fucking river.
That's who the fuck I am,
Good
you
lord.
stupid bitch. Hey,
What did I say about that word? Oh, out the window. Ow! Okay. That hurt. That really did hurt. I landed on my back on a pole, and then I landed on a car. Fortnite couldn't get any worse, could it? Loading screen, loading screen. We love loading screens. Oh my god. This loading screen is taking forever. Okay, here we go. And I'm guessing we're back. I'm on a car. I feel bad for whoever's car this is. And of course it would be Toad's, I'm guessing.
Hey, Toad.
Oh my god.
Give me a second.
Oh god.
Take your time. Make yourself comfortable. Get you anything?
The hell's the insurance on this car?
So, how good is your insurance?
I'm not mad at you. I called you. You come to help. You can't be mad. But when you helped, things getting more freaked up than they started. What? Oh no. We're not done yet. Uh-oh. You're gonna get off me. I'll choke you to death. Tap the A button. Tap it. Tap it like my girlfriend, which I don't have one. Ah. Oh, come on, I'm at the A. I'm at the top. Come on. No. Oh, yeah, he's gonna kill me. Oh, there we go. Oh, what the heck? Ow. Okay. She just impaled his head with that axe of his? Wow. And he's still alive. What in the world? Thanks.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
There's a lost kitty up in the corner.
Just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? Your eyes?
Teeth. You're not really supposed to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that to myself. If that ever comes to mind.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling it.
Oh god. Should I let her or should I stop her? I'm gonna let her. Cause he's kind of been a douchebag. No.
I guess it's a good thing Fables are already killed.
So, you know what she looks like? She looks like the girl from Resident Evil. She looks like Jill Valentine with that blue thing and the black skirt. Tell me if it's right or not. But she looks like the Jill Valentine from the third game, the Nemesis game. Oh, she smokes too. Aw, her light ain't working. Here, have my lighter. Mine works better. Since mine's Zippo, like Zippos. You're welcome. These lips are still. Come on, reach around here. Still? Not gonna talk? Come on.
Hey, you like my ribbon?
It's beautiful. Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome, still. I mean, like, dang. I feel like we've met before.
Probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point.
But things change, I guess.
Things change, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess. And she what? Okay, he's gone. Okay, that's cool. She likes you. It's how she acts towards you. She wants the D.
We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
He hit you. He needs to pay for that.
He's got nothing to give, Sheriff. I checked. Besides, I just swung an axe into the guy's head.
That is true. That you used that axe and freaking buried it inside of his skull. Maybe I should be arresting you.
Too much longer. So, now's your chance.
Now's my chance. She wants to be. She likes me. She likes me.
What's the option?
She owed. Oh no. Am I gonna be able to give her money? No. I've learned my lesson before not to give things out real easily. So I'm gonna say I wish I could help.
It's
No,
okay.
that's what I said.
I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Well, yeah, that is true, but still, I don't want her
Thanks.
getting like whipped because she didn't bring the money back or whatever.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll decide to buy you a car.
Wait, you know where I?
We live in the smallest apartment in the
Oh my god, that's kind of creepy. Okay, everyone knows.
You should marry them. You'll make shit.
Thanks.
I don't use that term lightly. Some of these are pretty bad.
Tell me what you really
Wow. Tell me what you really think.
think.
I need to tell you something.
Wait, you're gonna tell me something? What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Aww. Thank you. I'm not as bad as everybody thinks. Oh, she knows my secret. Crap. Man, that booty. Tapped that once or twice. Well, guys, I'm guessing that's the second part of The Walking Dead. I was about to say The Walking Dead. The Wolf Among Us. And the old dramatic sequence of me lighting a cigarette. Knew it. And that is The Wolf Among Us, guys. And I will see you next video. Hopefully that we get through the next video without using too many videos. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Subscribe and give comment, likes, and below. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.